Hi, I'm David and welcome back to BrenTeck IT Support. Today we've got a very special announcement. We've got some sponsorship. We've got Ruyilam sponsoring the video today by giving us these lights. Now normally all of our other videos we've done have been items that we've purchased for ourselves, which we use ourselves. So we've definitely not had any biased opinions on our reviews in the past. And we're going to try very hard to make sure we don't do a biased review just because of being sponsored. We want to give an honest review like we always do. But thank you very much for Ruyilam for sponsoring the video and providing our products, and we hope to work with you in the future. Now there's two different versions of these lights. You've got a 2-set and a 4-set that you can get, but whichever sets you get, they don't come with batteries, so you'll have to get AAA batteries to go with them. So let's have a look at the unboxing. So in the box, the set of 4, you've got 2 remotes and 4 LED lights, which are fully waterproof, so you can submerge them in your hot tub, spa or bath. The remotes are radio frequency, and we will show the setup of those. You get suction cups, so you can stick it to the wall of your bath or your shower. And 4 lights. Now there is a magnet in the back as well, and you've got the keyholes to put the suction cups. An instruction manual. And a lifetime warranty card. You just need to twist them to open them, and you have a weight at the bottom of it so that it will remain submerged in the water. And I believe there's going to be 4 magnets there, again with your keyholes, so you can get your suction cups and just slide them in and pull them across. Obviously, when you're using the suction cups, make sure that they're clean, the surface is clean, and it is a smooth surface. Now we're going to try some rechargeable batteries in this one. And when you screw it up, make sure you screw it up nice and tight against the seal and don't cross the thread. So make sure you get a good waterproof seal. It shows lights are nice and bright considering it's a sunny day, and we can clearly see those. Even on that surface they're sticking quite well. And again, we'll do the same with these ones, but we'll use a set of alkalines. Now these are all remote controlled via the controls, and they are working over radio frequency, not infrared, so that you can control them when they're underwater. But when you're underwater, the distance that the radio frequency will travel is much shorter, so make sure they don't put them over 2 meters deep. I'm actually surprised at how bright those are. So I'm hoping that one remote will control all 4. We'll find out. To activate the remote, you need to pull out the tab and then press and hold the on button for 2 seconds to activate and sync the remote to the lights. I think that may have done it. Yep, and that is controlling all of them. And you can control which color they're set to. Now there's 16 colors in total that they do. You've got a timer function on them as well. You've got different flash patterns. A smooth fade and a fade. And you can adjust the brightness of them as well. You also have a white. Now, we'll put these in the hot tub, so we'll come back at night where we can see everything lit up very nicely. When putting the lights in the bath, what you need to do is make sure you've got a clean dry surface first, get the suction cups on and stick them on the side of the bath Don't put them directly under the faucet as it might move them, although I think these suction cups are perfectly good for that. And another one on there. Now I'm going to only fill the bath up halfway so we don't use up too much water. Okay, here we have one light above water and one light below water, and they're currently on their dimmest setting. So if we press the up once, we can see they flash and go a bit brighter, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then that's maximum brightness. So there's about 4 brightness settings to the lights, and again you can choose which color you have them in or have them on a fade. And so when you stick them on the side, stick them on first, avoid putting them directly under the flow of water, but they do say that it can cause them to move and come unstuck, although I don't think so. I think these suction cups are absolutely excellent. So, and again, they say put it on a clean, dry surface, but if you do move it underneath the water, it holds. These are excellent, excellent suction cups. I really, really do think they've got good suction cups on those. So, very good. And if you put them in an ice bucket, and we've got plastic ice cubes in these ones which are coloured, but it will shine through them, light it up your drinks, and for parties or wedding decorations, I think that would look really nice. It's something I saw in one of the other photos in their adverts, and I thought, I'll give that a go and see how well it actually works. And that's just a single light in there. So it works really, really well. Okay, and here you can see that I've just put them in our fountain. I haven't got the fountain running at the moment because we've got lights pre-built in the fountain which are white. I wanted you to see the colours and the vibrancy of the lights without my white lights in the background. And I'll now go and pop the fountain on so you can see it in flow. We've now got the fountain on and the internal white lights of the fountain on, but it now shows you that they will be in a fountain happily running. If your fountain doesn't already have lights in it, this will really sort of brighten it up and make it really something quite special. And if you don't want to have the color changing lights, you can have them on a static one as well, so you can create a particular mood that you're looking for at any given time. Okay, we'll just start chucking the lights into the spa. This one's got the suction caps on it. And now using the remote, we will turn them on and make them flash. And so we can see how well that works underwater, and they automatically righted themselves because of that weight at the bottom. I think that's a really actual good feature of having that weight down there, is that it will, if you just literally chuck them straight in, they'll then work. I think they look great. And we can see the white is made up with using RGB rather than a dedicated white LED, which is absolutely fine. It's a slightly cheaper way of doing it, but it works very, very well. And it then allows you to have the full range of colours still. And I'll put the bubbles on to see how well they stay in place. I think not having the suction cups on and just having the weights and allow them to move actually gives a lovely effect, because then as you move and the water moves, it will always be a unique pattern. I really like that. Well, thank you very much to Ruyilam for sending us these lights and sponsoring this video today. I really like these hot tub or bath lights. They really work with the rechargeable batteries. I think what it was is I just had them, one of the batteries was a bit flat. I just pulled some random batteries out of the drawer for that one, whereas the alkalines were brand new. But they work really nice. I love them in the hot tub. You could definitely use them in the shower using the suction cups. I found the magnets weren't that great. I think the magnets could be a bit more powerful, especially if you've got the batteries in there, because that's when you're going to want to use it. I found testing it off camera, it was a little bit weak, the magnets, on some of the metal framework I put it to, but the suction cups do work very, very well. And if you're going to use it in the shower or bath, that's what you're going to need. For the hot tub, oh yeah, I like that. I think, I'm glad we didn't have to send them back. I'm glad we got them, and the seal on them for waterproofing is excellent. No, they do, as long as you screw them up right, that's going to be fine. I'm going to enjoy these. So Thanks to Ruyilam for giving us the lights and sponsoring the video. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, do give it a good like, thumbs up, comment and subscribe. We will have a link for these down in the description below, and hope to see you all again soon. In fact, we're going to be finishing another video very soon for another set of lights that they're sending us. Take care all. Bye for now.